Using Minitab for Monte Carlo simulations. Monte Carlo simulations use random sampling to model and analyze complex systems. They are a computational technique. Monte Carlo simulations run many tests with random inputs. They can show the variability and uncertainty of a system. This technique is useful when traditional methods are not feasible or accurate. How does Minitab support Monte Carlo simulations? Minitab is a top statistical software. It has many tools for data analysis, hypothesis testing, and statistical modeling. Minitab's Monte Carlo simulations let users generate random variables. They can also sample from probability distributions. They can then run simulations to analyze a system's behavior. Minitab's user-friendly interface and strong stats make it perfect for Monte Carlo simulations. Steps for conducting Monte Carlo simulations with Minitab: define the problem, state the simulation's goal and key variables. Generate random variables. Use Minitab's random number generator to create random values for the simulation. Specify probability distributions, choose the correct distributions for the input variables. Use normal, exponential, or uniform ones. Benefits of using Minitab for Monte Carlo simulations. Minitab has powerful statistical tools. They make it easy to run Monte Carlo simulations. User-friendly interface, Minitab's wizards and design make it easy to run simulations. Data visualization, Minitab has tools for graphing Monte Carlo results. They make it easier to interpret and share findings. Process improvement, by using Monte Carlo simulations in Minitab, organizations can improve. They can identify risks and optimize processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, Minitab is a versatile tool. It can run many statistical analyses, including Monte Carlo simulations.